Today we are going to see about the endurance equation for both propeller aircraft as well as the jet engine aircraft. So, by the definition, endurance is the amount of height of the airplane which is stayed in the aircraft, in the air, on the one load of fuel. So, that is the endurance. Let us take the first specific consumption. CP is, that is we know, that is dW dot F by with thrust. So it means that the amount of fuel, that is my negative sign indicates the reduction of fuel, of the fuel consumption with respect to producing the thrust. So first specific fuel CP equal to small p, that is the specific consumption. So we can rewrite this as dW by dt, the amount of fuel consumed with respect to the time, which is T. So we can rewrite it in terms of the time. So CT is equal to minus of dW by dt into thrust. So from this we can say what is the amount of time. So from this we can get the time, and this is dt is equal to minus of dW by CT into thrust. So from this we are having the rate of time. So at the time, time equal to 0, the weight of the aircraft will be W naught. At that time, that we say as endurance, the maximum stay in the air, that is endurance. That time the weight of the aircraft is W naught. So the required fuel is consumed. So we can apply here. So now we can apply the condition of this time getting as endurance. That is time equal to 0, at the time equal to 0, the weight is W naught. At the time of endurance, at the time W equal to W naught. So we are getting the W naught to W naught. So that is W naught. And this is at time equal to endurance. What? dt. So we can also let this sign minus dW by CT, that is W naught to W naught. So the substitute this. So we are getting this is integrating we are getting T by endurance is equal to that is 1 by CT integration of W1 by W naught dW by this we can take this T as out. So this minus this W1 and W2 to replace by neglecting this minus. So 1 by CT T log of W naught by W. For level flight, lift equal to weight, thrust equal to time. So we can rewrite this as dt minus dW by W into W by T, so 1 by CT. So this can be calculated as lift by drag formula, that is minus C 1 by CT W by W, dW is weight as lift, this is plus equal to that, this is elevation. So now we can apply the integration from 0 to endurance, that is dt is equal to minus of 1 by CT L by D integration of that is W naught to W1 dW by W. So now we are getting endurance equal to that is 1 by CT L by D. We can rewrite minus, we can remove this minus and we are writing as W naught to W naught dW by W. So we get 1 by CT L by D log of W naught by W. This is the endurance equation. So this is a kind of endurance equation. Endurance equation for CT, that is plus specific fuel consumption for a jet engine. Now we will go for the propeller airplane. So we can make this is specific fuel consumption. For thrust, this is specific fuel consumption. from this we are going to arrange for the propeller engine, that is Cp is equal to C velocity of the airplane by propeller efficiency. We can replace this into here. So we will say here Cp, here Cp. So endurance for the propeller aircraft is equal to 1 by Cp. We can write this as C V infinity. This is propeller velocity goes up. V the propeller into L by D integral of W1 by W naught. So dW by W. Right? So now we can integrate this propeller efficiency C V infinity L by D. So 1 by W we can take as once you integrate and apply the value, you will get W naught minus 1 by 2 minus W1 by 1. Right? Yes. For another equation, you have to replace this lift and drag as lift force and drag force. So we can replace this as root of rho s. This is Cn motion lift by 2 times of weight in the lateral condition. So on motion, Cf square is C square comes, so we will take out Cf by Cd instead of dW by dW in W. So by applying this integration, that is the propeller efficiency by reciprocal consumption, we can take the Cf, so Cf 3 by 2 by Cd, dW by W 3 by 2 again from this W. W and Cf we are taking out. So finally we are already enter the equation in terms of E equal to propeller efficiency by C root of 2 rho s Cf 3 by 2 by Cd into W1 by power of minus 1 by 2 minus W1 power of minus 1 by 2. This is the range equation for, endurance equation for propeller aircraft. We will discuss in next class.